Logitech is launching a new keyboard called G512 that features a new switch called GX Blue. The switch is designed for users of mechanical keyboards who want a kind of audible click response during the performance on the keyboard. It's a kind of middle ground between Logitech's tactile and almost silent line switches. The brand of gaming accessories also offers the switch as an option for its old G513 mechanical gaming keyboard. The upper case for the Logitech G512 is made of brushed aluminum grade 5052, and has an integrated USB 2.0 step for power. Logitech is also considering that its user base will install the new G Hub application, which incorporates all the benefits of traditional Logitech G game software, lighting, macros, headphone volume control, etc. unified for all Logitech game accessories.